Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the lesson Revati's musical plans and a small recap of whatever we have done last week. We all know that Revati was a young girl. She was a student of music and she loved the raga known as Mohana. And she had some potted plants in her courtyard, and the plants were not looking very healthy. But when she started playing the raga Mohanam, the plants tended to come near her, enjoying the music that she was playing on her violin. Okay, so with this we will continue with the lesson, and today we will begin page 18, the second paragraph there. Children, please keep your book open if you have, or follow your screen. She kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. The flowers were mauve with white stripes. That evening she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plants. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. The next day was the all-important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes, for there was neither the pot nor the plants. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. She searched all over. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard. We all know that she loved the Raga Mohanam, and her plants also loved the Raga Mohanam, because whenever she played that raga on her violin, the plants started coming towards her. Okay, so we all know that. But she had kept it as a secret. She had not told anyone. So what is a secret? The thing which we keep to ourselves, which we do not reveal or tell others, we call it a secret. So she has not told anyone, not even her mother. Okay, and anyhow, the competition was getting nearer. It was the next day, and she went. She saw her plants. They were looking very tall. They were looking healthier than the other plants which were there in the courtyard. Remember, children, there were other plants which were kept near the compound wall or the fence. Okay, but she had removed only 2 or 3 potted plants and she kept it in the center of the courtyard where she sits on the bench. So those plants were really taller and healthier than the other plants, and to her surprise they have started flowering also earlier than the other plants. And what was the color of the flowers that she could see? It was mauve. Okay, so what is the color of mauve? It is a dull purple color, is called as mauve. And how were the flowers looking? They were of mauve color with white stripes on them, which was very unusual. Probably none of the flowers had this color in her garden. Okay, so that when she saw that, she was very sure to the next day when she is going to take these plants for the competition, it is she who is going to win. Her plants are going to win the competition. So next day she is going to the courtyard to see where the plants are so that she can take it to the competition. She is standing there and blinking. Now what is the meaning of blinking? Opening and closing the eyes quickly. She was shocked because she could not find the potted plants at all. Then she goes around to see whether anybody has kept it anywhere else, but it was not at all to be found. Then she goes and asks her mother. Mother also doesn't know. Mother was telling, yesterday I had some neighbors who had come. So I was very busy with them. The neighbors were also praising your plant. But after that I didn't know. I went to the kitchen. So now poor Revati has lost her potted plants and now she is very, very sad. Revati's grief knew no bounds. She went around asking every one of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. She could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plants. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plants. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friends who enjoyed her music. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plants on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plants. She went to the organizers of the show and told them about it. So poor Revati had lost her pot of plants. She was deeply grieved, means she was very sad, and poor girl went all over to her neighbors, every neighbor's house. She was knocking on the door to ask them whether they had seen her pot of plants, but nobody was giving her a proper answer. Everybody just told they don't know anything about her pot of plants. And can she go to a police station for lodging a complaint that she lost her pot of plants? If she had lost a piece of jewelry, police will accept her complaint. If she had lost her mobile, they would accept her complaint. But for a pot of plant, will anybody accept a complaint? The police will not. Okay, so she also felt very bad. She felt dejected, extremely sad. And the problem was she did not worry about losing the prize. The problem was she was missing her plants because she and the plants both loved her Raga Mohana. Okay, they were like her friends. They enjoyed her music and she could not now participate in the competition. And that evening was a prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to go at all, but all her friends who were her neighbors, probably friends and neighbors, they came, they pestered her, they told, okay, we will go, it's okay. They forced her and she accompanied them and reached the place where the competition had held. So she just goes around and there she sees a pot of plant which was really looking healthy, and below that a distant neighbor, her neighbor probably in her street who lives slightly far away from her place, that neighbor's name was written in a cardboard and it was put in the soil. It was placed in the soil. She was so shocked. Then she goes to the organizer. She tells, this is my plant. And do you think the organizers are going to accept whatever she is going to tell? It is just a no. The organizers were not convinced. They said, how can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her? Revati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizers that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. She told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them. They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed her. So she goes and complains to the organizers that the pot of plants which is winning the prize is hers. But the organizers will not, and they do not believe her at all. They are asking, how will you prove that this plant is yours? And the person whose name was written in the cardboard, that person has always been participating in the plant healthy plant competition. Okay, and they are asking her, we will not doubt her because she is a regular participant. And now you try to prove, if you feel this plant is yours, you try to prove that the plant is yours. Revati was just wondering how to prove to them. Okay, and then she sits for some time. She is now thinking how to prove it to them. Then all of a sudden, she has a flash in her mind, because whenever she used to play on her violin the Raga Mohanam, the plants used to bend towards her. So now she felt she can tell the organizers that the plant is hers. She runs home, she comes back with her violin, and when the organizers and the other people in the place, when they see her coming back with a violin from home, they are all laughing at her. And this girl, though she was feeling very bad, she did not want to feel very bad that these people are making fun of her. Ridicule is making fun, and when they are ridiculing her, she does not want to get discouraged. And because what is her mission? Mission means very important task undertaken. What is her mission? Her mission is to prove to them that these are her plans and she is not lying about the plans. And she tells the organizers, I know my plans very well. Myself and my plans, we have a secret between us, and now you will see how my plans will respond to my music. Okay, when they heard that her plans are music lovers, they started laughing more and louder, and they started making fun of her, teasing her also. We human beings, we enjoy music because we have ears, but do plants have ears to enjoy the music? Nobody believed her. She felt very dejected, but was determined to win her plans back. She sat near her plans with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plans for a time, but the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly. As she played on and on, their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. They had watched a new phenomenon of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. They pulled up her neighbor for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, nobody doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. They all started laughing very loud, and they were making fun that do plants have ears. But Revati had made up her mind to prove that she is the owner of the plants. Though she was feeling very disappointed, she wanted to take back her pot of plants. Whether she wins, whether they give her a prize was immaterial. She was not bothered, but she wanted her plants back from that place. And she sits near her plants. Then she starts playing her violin and she starts playing her favorite raga. Now she is lost herself. She loved her music so much that she only lost herself. She even forgot her plans for some time. And when she was playing the music continuously on and on, the plants, the stem started bending towards Revati. And when the plants were trying to touch her out of happiness, the organizers who were seeing all this, not only the organizers and everybody who were standing there, who were seeing this, they were so shocked, and they first time in their life they have understood that plants actually respond to music. So this was a phenomenon. Phenomenon means something that is happening, that something that nobody believes is actually happening. So this is something that they are all first time seeing, plants reacting to music, and they are all very happy, and they were congratulating Revati for doing something new, that it was, she learned that plants were reacting to music. Now she has proved to others that plants react to music too, and they were very happy that the plants actually belong to her, and they give her the prize also. And now they were very happy, sorry, they were very unhappy, they were very extremely disappointed with the neighbor for cheating them. Why? Because that distant neighbor brought Revati's pot of plants. She actually stole the pot of plants from Revati's house the previous night, and she kept it inside her house, and next day in style coming and submitting this pot of plant for the contest. And the beauty was, this healthy plant was about to be given a prize, but the owner of the plant was actually different. So finally, now that they know it was Revati who was the owner of the plant, why was her plant given the first prize? They were the best looking, and they were the healthiest of all the plants that had come for the competition. So they scolded her, and she didn't accept it at first that she had stolen it. After a very long argument with the organizers, finally she accepted, that neighbor accepted that she had stolen. And how shameful, children, to really steal things from others. Okay, so finally Revati is given the prize, and she is taking both the prize and the pot of plants with her when she goes home. Okay, so finally this lesson ends in a very happy note. It began with the love for music, then we have the competition scene in the middle, and now finally then she proves to everybody that plants also enjoy the sound of music. So with this we come to the close of this lesson. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, please ask your doubts personally on WhatsApp.